Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're comparing Notch Nook versus Boring Notch, two apps that transform or tame that little nudge on your MacBook. So let's see which one is best fit for you. Starting with Notch Nook. Now, this app turns your MacBook notch area into something fun and functional. You can add widgets, animations, and even cute little characters that hang out right in your notch space. It's perfect if you love personalizing your workspace and adding a bit of personality to your setup. The only catch, some users might find the animations a little distracting, especially if you're focused on productivity. Now, on the flip side, Boring Notch, it takes a minimalist approach. Instead of decorating your notch, it simply hides or darkens it, giving you a cleaner and more distraction-free look. It's ideal for those who find a notch annoying and just want it to blend into the background. But unlike Notch Nook, it doesn't offer any fun or interactive features. It's purely aesthetic. So which one is better for you? If you're all about creativity, customization, and a touch of fun, you want to go with Notch Nook. But if you prefer simplicity, focus, and a sleek visual experience, Boring Notch is your best bet. It really comes down to your style, fun versus focus. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!